How to restore post on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnit, and today I'll guide you on how you can restore a post on Instagram. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to restore a post on Instagram, simply go ahead and open up Instagram. Once you have opened it, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and then head into your profile. Once you're on your profile, simply tap on the hamburger icon or the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once here, you can see various options here. Simply go ahead and head into the option your activity, and under it you should be able to find the option that says recently deleted. Tap on it and here you should be able to find your recently deleted pictures or post, everything here. So once you open up the particular post that you would like to restore, tap on the three dots above at the top right of the post and then tap on restore, and it should be restored. So you can see it'll ask you to restore confirmation, so you want to confirm it and restore it. This is how you can restore post on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.